John wants to make a major purchase, his first house. After John got out of the military, he found a job and moved to a new city. After 9 months, John knew his apartment lease would end soon and wanted to purchase his first house, but John found out he had poor credit and did not qualify for a loan. John had to figure out how to get his credit in better condition. He asked friends and family, but most didn't know besides paying the bills on time. He went online to find information, but a lot of it was conflicting with each other. One stated to pay off credit cards, while another stated to keep a balance. John should have taken action to find a reputable company to help him with his credit. From having derogatory items removed to connecting our clients with our vetted affiliates, Credit Solution Programs can help you get there. Credit Solution Programs has helped thousands, and they are here to help you. From obtaining employment and renting a house or apartment to buying a vehicle or that dream home, credit affects many aspects of life. John wonders how he can raise his credit scores. What's the quickest way to build his credit? How can he build credit when he doesn't have any credit? How can he get collections off his credit report that are inaccurate, unverifiable, or incomplete? John doesn't know that it's in the best interest of the credit bureaus for him to have poor credit. John didn't know that every time he received a pre-approval offer in the mail, that was the credit bureau selling his information to a large financial company, and that the lower the credit scores, the higher the price the bureaus charge. John hears about Credit Solution Programs, a nonprofit credit counseling company. He finds out that Credit Solution Programs will guide him from A to Z on what needs to be done in order for him to obtain the maximum possible credit scores. Credit Solution Programs explains to John that they understand how he feels. Credit Solution Programs explains that they have had many clients over the years that felt the same way, but after receiving their service and guidance, they now have better credit and a better understanding of how the credit system works. Credit Solution Programs are FICO-certified professionals, accredited nonprofit, disabled veteran-owned small business, and have over 3 decades of combined experience. Credit Solution Programs not only worked on removing derogatory information from John's credit, but they give John a step-by-step guide with the resources to rebuild his credit, monitor his credit, and protect his credit. John now thinks of Credit Solution Programs when it comes to most of his financial needs. Apply today to get your credit back on track. Credit Solution Programs, a nonprofit credit counseling company.